How do map scale ratios show real-world proportions? Imagine holding a tiny model of your neighborhood in your hand and wondering how it compares to the actual place. That's where map scale ratios come into play. They are a simple way to show how the size of things on a map relates to their size in real life. Map scale ratios are written as a ratio like 1 to 50,000 or 1 to 100,000. This means that one unit of measurement on the map, like 1 centimeter or 1 inch, equals a specific number of the same units in the real world. For example, if a map has a scale of 1 to 100,000, then 1 centimeter on the map equals 100,000 centimeters in real life. That's the same as 1 kilometer because 1,000 centimeters make up 1 meter, and 1,000 meters make up 1 kilometer. Let's say two towns are 6.3 centimeters apart on this map. To find out how far apart they really are, you multiply 6.3 by 100,000. That gives you 630,000 centimeters, which is the same as 6.3 kilometers in real life. This way, the map helps you understand how far apart places are without needing to measure everything directly on the ground. The ratio keeps the shape and the distances proportional, so the map is a smaller version of the actual area but still accurate in how it shows the relationships between places. Maps can show scale in different ways. There is the ratio or fractional scale, like 1 to 50,000, which tells you how many real units equal one map unit. Then there is the linear scale, also called a bar scale, which is a line marked with distances that you can measure with a ruler. Lastly, some maps use a verbal scale, like saying 1 inch equals 1 mile. Understanding map scale ratios helps students see how maps are made to keep proportions correct. It also allows them to do quick calculations to find real distances by multiplying or dividing by the scale factor. For example, if a map shows a river that is 5 centimeters long and the scale is 1 to 50,000, then the river is 5 times 50,000 centimeters long in real life. That's 250,000 centimeters, or 2.5 kilometers. Making this concept fun and interactive can really help students learn. They can measure distances on maps and then convert those measurements into real-world sizes. They can even create their own scale drawings or models to see how the real world gets scaled down onto a map. Comparing different map scales shows how much detail you get at different sizes. A small scale map shows a large area with less detail, while a large scale map shows a smaller area with more detail. By connecting the idea of map scale ratios to real measurements and hands-on activities, students can better understand how maps show the world in accurate proportions. This skill helps them navigate, plan trips, and understand geography with confidence.